So that's the monstrosity. Especially, well, I'll show you the measurements during the music, but it's not measuring really nice. Actually, it's far worse than my big ribbons, which is weird. One thing is I didn't chamfer the front, so that's a problem. It was a problem on my bigger ribbons as well, but here it's more pronounced. The wiggly at the top is, I don't know, it is, I'm pretty sure it's the wood. And then there's at 3K there's some sort of drop. Not sure what that is, but that might be, I have to calculate that, but it might be the vertical problem. Like there's like horizontal, well, I'll show you. So that is bouncing here, which might create the 3K thingy, and this is doing the wiggle at the top, sideways. I'm not sure. I should like, well, I should chamfer this, like make it smooth, and then you actually have an idea. But still, I mean, it plays, but the efficiency is not incredible high. So I don't know, I like my bigger ribbons better, because they play much lower as well. Of course, it's not like a point source. Neither is this. This is still pretty high. But crossed over a 24 dB per octave filter at 3K this time, or 2.5K. So rather high as well. And the reason is this one falls off too early, this one drops off also too early. So it plays up till 4K and then it just plummets. So without a mid-range, this combination would not function very well. I'll let you hear some songs, but still, this is not viable as anything I would use. So it's a nice idea, but I'll get you a little bit closer to the final result. So I added some, well, filth on these edges to try to get rid of the problems I mentioned earlier, but that doesn't work. So also I thought maybe it's baffle related. No, it's not, so it doesn't really matter. And the backside you've seen, nothing changed there. And so let's play a tune and see what it does. It works, but I don't like the fact it has to be crossed so high. I don't think that's any good. I like to be able to cross tweeters really low. That's more charming, I think. Well, anyhow, 2 or 3 songs, whatever. From Dark, Dark, Dark. I only had 1 song in the playlist and never listened to the rest, but the rest is also nice. For those that like that, there's also a male vocal in the second song, although a rather high-pitched guy, but still. There we go. Celebrate. Dark, dark, dark.
Tell me what.
And then from the beginning, not halfway.
Tell me what you celebrate. It isn't hard to do. Do you love me? Do you love that paint? Exposing the brick, they're crumbling a bit. Do you love the bees fly over our heads, race into the woods, make honey so sweet? Do you love me? Do you love the breeze when you stand on the ceiling broom on the 11th floor. Do you love the story of that stream you found? You followed a path, ferns under your feet. Oh, the trees they parted, and you stumbled upon the coolest stream your skin has known. And tell me what you celebrate. It isn't hard to do. Do you love me? Or walk on the street? Oh, lavender, the scent fills the air. Oh, remember their hand-sewn quilt? We laid on it there. We laid on it there.
I'm glad to see that you brought your coat, 'cause winter's here, get awful cold. The winter's here, yeah, get awful cold. And if we're still lovers, oh, January, the air burns out, love, the ice, it burns the street.
You will know.
You know you'll know. No,
You'll know.
you know you'll know. Trust me, you will know. It's a good thing. You brought your coat, a damn good thing. You brought your coat. If we're still lovers, oh, February, the coldest bones, we warm our sheets. In March, you're convinced that it is going to be spring, but for 2 more months, you're shivering. It's a good thing that you brought your coat. Damn good thing you brought your coat. for them goes to do away. And they said being here is better than wishing we'd stay. Yes, being here is seeming to be the way. Oh, being here is better than wishing we'd stay.
Lower the tuner by 1 dB.
They stay underwater for so long. They wait for the spring when the ice will thaw and frozen hearts will be filled with song. The sun filtered down through all them waves, and they said being here is better than wishing we'd stay. Yes, being here is seeming to be the way. Oh, being here's like breathing on the hottest day. I think I would rather suffocate. Last summer they said it was so hot. Two lovers did drown. Their dreams were sunk while their bodies were lost. Their souls stayed around. They stayed underwater, most go underground. And they said here is better than wishing.
Seeming to be the way. Your being is better. Stay, yes, being here is seeming to be the way. Your being is better than wishing we'd stay. Yes, being here is seeming
And stay away. Being here is seeming to be.
Well, far from perfect. It doesn't measure nice. It sounds okayish, but still, it is rubbing as well. I mentioned in the video, but I think I cut it out, that the spacing is too tight. So it is rubbing, and it's not hearable above a few kilohertz, but it is down low, which it's not playing right now, but still. It's not, well, yeah, have to redo this to have any idea, but still. I don't think it's that useful, at least not for me. But was fun to try. See you next time.